is David Mulu. My father's name is Mulu. My mother's name is Jigayo. I am 10 years old. I learn at Nafiad School. I am grade 4 student. I am 10 years old. And I have one brother and one sister. My brother's name is Yusuf and my sister's name is Hasit. My brother learned at Odagi Misho in Aramaya University, Aramaya in Delhi.
Let me introduce yourself. My name is Doriad Abdullah. My father's name is Abdullah. My mother's name is Maftua. I am 10 years old. I learn in Nafiad School. I have one sister and I have two brothers. My sister name is Yanet. I was born in 2003 Ethiopian calendar. Making about water.
Complaint about water. Hello, is this a service section in Rotterdam?
Yes, it is. Your complaint, please.
A leaking tank needs to be repaired and a tap has to be replaced.
Let me know your name and the telephone number.
David Mulu calling from condominium subcity, telephone number 0910 220693. Please treat this as urgently as possible. A lot of water is being wasted.
I have noted your complaint at right. I will send a plumber today at 9:30.
Thank you.
No problem.